Daily Learning.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to your English speaking practice. I hope you're ready to warm up your voice and your mind today because we're going to practice speaking about shopping. This is a great topic because it's something we all experience and talk about in daily life, so you'll be able to use these sentences in real conversations. You can practice by repeating after me, answering my questions, or even speaking along with me. Don't worry about making mistakes. Just focus on speaking clearly and confidently. Ready? Let's get started. Hi there. Welcome to Willow and Pine. Are you looking for anything special today? Oh, no worries at all. This is my favorite part of the job, playing fashion detective. Go ahead, describe it. I'll do my best to find your mystery jacket. Totally. More of a transitional piece. Any clue what the material was like? Okay, I think we're narrowing it down. Was it a little structured? Maybe with pockets on the chest or hips? You're describing our utility jackets to a T. And let me guess, the color wasn't black or navy, was it? Sounds like olive green to me. Earthy, understated, effortlessly cool. How about this one? You've got great taste. This jacket's been super popular lately, especially with this unpredictable weather we've been having. Want to try it on? Honestly, that description works too. I totally know what you meant. Fashion is all about feelings anyway, right? That's exactly the vibe this jacket gives. Like you're ready for an adventure, but still chill enough to stop for an iced coffee on the way. That's what we aim for. Do you want me to set that aside for you, or are you ready to make it yours today? Alright, that's all for today's speaking practice. How do you feel? I hope you had fun and feel a little more confident speaking English out loud. Remember, it's totally okay if you didn't get everything perfect. What matters is that you're practicing and improving bit by bit. Keep speaking, keep learning, and don't be afraid to try again tomorrow. I'll see you next time with another practice session. Until then, take care and keep speaking English whenever you can. Bye for now.